the month of September, I designed 4 new models. The first one was designed for the Printables Back to School contest. For this one, I wanted a simple design that was useful and could be easily customized, so I created these style name tags where you can mix and match to create colorful name tag keychains. My second model in September was Mei Li from the Turning Red movie. I wanted to design her because she resembles my daughter, and also because I wanted an interesting model to paint. It was my first experience with the Army Painter paints, and I was very happy with the final results. The third model was designed for the Play Kitchen contest at Printables. I designed a miniature coffee machine just like the one I have at home, including a pair of mugs to complete the set. The real coffee machine has a glossy finish, so I experimented with top coat nail gel and a UV lamp to cure the gel, and the result was amazing, so smooth. My last model in September was another entry for the Play Kitchen contest. This time, I really wanted to design something print in place, so I made a little sandwich grill. It was by far the most difficult design I made in September. It took me 8 attempts to finally get the result I wanted. It was well worth the effort. I learned a lot in the process. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments, and check my Printables profile for more original and free 3D models. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!